Mastering Brazilian waxing made easy, pre- and post-care tips. So, why Brazilian waxing? Well, it offers a smooth and long-lasting finish compared to shaving. Plus, it reduces hair regrowth over time. Many people find it to be a confidence booster and appreciate the clean, fresh feeling it provides. Before you start waxing, there are some important steps to take. First, make sure your hair is at least 1/4 of an inch long. This ensures the wax can grip the hair properly. Exfoliate the area a day or two before to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. And avoid caffeine or alcohol before your appointment, as these can make your skin more sensitive. Alright, let's dive into the waxing process itself. First, ensure your hair is at least 1/4 inch long for the wax to grip effectively. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth, and remember, it's crucial to work in small sections. Once the wax is applied, press a cloth strip onto it and smooth it down. Hold your skin taut and swiftly pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Take your time and be gentle with yourself. It's important to breathe and stay relaxed throughout. Now, onto post-waxing care. After waxing, your skin might be a bit sensitive. Apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm any irritation. Avoid tight clothing and steer clear of hot showers or baths for at least 24 hours. Exfoliate gently after a couple of days to prevent ingrown hairs. Hydration is key, so keep your skin moisturized. And remember, avoid direct sun exposure for a few days to protect your skin. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. One big mistake is not prepping the skin properly. Always cleanse and exfoliate before waxing. Another mistake is applying the wax too thickly. A thin layer works best. Also, pulling the strip off too slowly can cause more pain and irritation. And don't forget, waxing over the same area multiple times can damage your skin. Be patient and follow the steps carefully. You've made it to the end. Remember, practice makes perfect. If your first attempt isn't flawless, that's okay. With time, you'll get better and more comfortable with the process. Brazilian waxing can be empowering and leave you feeling fresh and confident. Keep these tips in mind and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. You've got this.